The remaining two algorithm updates that we have, that is Google My Friendly, Google Mobile Friendly update and Google Exact Match Domain. These two are actually the game changers in the industry. Okay, so they are, uh, they have a huge impact on each and every website. Okay, the website owner is completely responsible on these two updates on the open statement. With the rise of users of internet using desktop was minimal or normal in the initial days. Now, when the smartphones were introduced, all the users were comfortable to use all this product using a smartphone. So the users started accessing the website using a smartphone. All those activities that are to be done on a computer, okay, people started using it on a mobile phone. Now there came a situation where people should develop a website that is friendly to mobile phone. Any website that is mobile friendly started getting attention from Google, and those websites were ranked better in the mobile devices. So when Google came to know that lots of people started using smartphones, okay, when lots of people started using smartphones, Google wants to show a website to the users, okay, mobile friendly, okay, mobile friendly website. How will a non-mobile friendly website will look like? Let us see. Okay, if you look into the website, the older website, if you have used a JavaScript, a phone using a Java, okay, you can see this. One of the example here is, if you look into this particular page, we have open image and new tab. Okay, okay. So when we have a look into this particular page, the previous page, when it is viewed through a mobile phone, it looks exactly like the same website in the computer. Okay, so the problem here is, it is difficult for people to read, it is difficult for people to navigate. Sometimes people have to navigate to the left side corner, right side corner. Okay, the font will be small, they have to zoom, then there will be lots of issues here. But whereas if you look into the right side image, now there will be no left right navigation, there will be only up down navigation, and the image will be clear and the text will be clear, and it will be easy for people to click on a link with their fingertips, just like that. In the previous version, people may not be able to click on the exact link, they will be thinking they are clicking on the link above, but they will end up clicking on the link below that. So it is not easy for people to click on a particular link when a website is not mobile friendly. So when a website is mobile friendly, they can click on a link. So what Google has done, okay, Google has started maintaining a separate database for computer related website and a separate database for mobile version. Okay, so Google used to crawl and index a website using two crawler. Okay, one is the web crawler, basically for your websites. Okay, for desktop crawler, we can call it as desktop crawler. Okay, and another one is the mobile. Okay, smartphone crawler or spider. Okay, smartphone crawler or spider. Now, when a desktop crawler crawls your website, it crawls the desktop version of your website. Okay, let me say the amudhakumar.com. I'm visiting this website from a computer or a browser. Okay, this is basically the desktop version. Now, Google will maintain this particular version of websites separately in a desktop database. So when a user from a computer or a laptop uses it, Google takes the information from the desktop version. At the same time, Google also uses the mobile version of the same website separately. It indexes the mobile version of the website separately. Okay. Once you look into the developer mode of this particular website, you can see there is something called responsive, which means responsive design of a website. The website design will fit into a mobile device based on the viewport or the screen. Like there is a mobile phone called a Moto G4. How does amudhakumar.com will look like in Moto G4? See here. Okay, Moto G4. Now, how does the same website will look like in iPad Pro? Like this. See, in iPad Pro, this website looks like a website that is there in computer itself. How does this website looks like in Galaxy Fold? See, it is looking like this in Galaxy Fold. Okay. So now we can understand how does a website looks like in the mobile devices, so that when people use a mobile device, our website is also legible, it is visible, easy for people to click and open the link. So basically what Google said is like, hey, pay attention everyone who is having a desktop version of the website. Because of the rise or increase in usage of smartphones, it is a requirement that you have to upgrade your website to be mobile friendly. Okay, so you are required to update your website to make it as a mobile friendly site. That is a basic requirement. Lots of people did not make that change. Now Google was in a position to tell all the people, please go to the website called mobilefriendlytester.com. Mobile friendly tester tool. So Google launched an official tool for common people to check whether their website is mobile friendly or not. Okay. So based on this, let us see why the results are getting delayed. Okay. Let me try again. Mobile friendly tester tool. Okay. So there is a feature snippet is also coming. You can use this, or you can click on the mobile friendly test tool inside the search console, and you can feed your URL. Okay, your website URL, https, let me say amudhakumar.com is there. So let me click on test URL option. So this is going to test, and this is going to tell me whether my website is mobile friendly or not. Okay, when this tool says like your website is mobile friendly, okay, we are not required to worried about it. Okay, but if says it is not mobile friendly, then we have to get in touch with the developer and tell the developer that make my website mobile friendly. Okay, it says your website is your page is mobile. Now, this mobile friendliness is not, checked only for the home page. If your website has 100 pages, all the 100 pages should be mobile friendly. That is very important. So, whichever the page which is mobile friendly will rank better in top in the mobile SERP. Okay. So, there is a separate database for desktop version. There is a separate database for mobile. Okay. Now, when people use a mobile search, then we get a better results displayed in the mobile friendly interface rather than the desktop version. So we have both the desktop version and mobile version for any website. So we call this one as a responsive design. So whenever we create a template, okay, we create a template that is responsive. Okay. So generally a responsive means a template which can fit into, okay, exactly fit into any mobile device whenever you look into it. So look at this particular image. Okay. So this is basically the responsive web design. So the web developer have to design a website that is responsive. So if the user is using from a computer or from a like the smartphone or the mobile phones, the user experience is better, and the quality of information or the quality of access is also better. Okay, so this is what we basically need to understand with respect to mobile friendly update. If your website is not mobile friendly, you are not going to receive visitors from the mobile phone. That is the best deal. Okay, so to keep ourselves in par with the latest technology, we need to make sure that we keep our websites mobile friendly. Okay, now the next kind of algorithm that we, I think I can paste this, mobile friendly website URL here. Okay, mobile friendly tester tool. Okay, so this is the tool which is like mobile friendly. Okay,